Should I have served my time like a good little girl? Get out when I'm old and wrinkly? I don't think so.
You're saying the Kingpin got you out of jail? How much power does this guy have?
That's what it's all about, isn't it? Power. His, yours, and mine.
Hey, pay attention! I'm not gonna do this again for your benefit.
Watching you come into a room, but I like watching you leave even better.
One time I fought somebody who was a real loser, and they were still better than you.
You're just dying to get your hands on me, aren't you? You naughty boy.
Say some fun bad guy things like, "Curse you, Spider-Man!" I love that one.
I know I'm being fresh, but when you dress like that, what do you expect?
Did your mom tell you to be anything you want? Because she was wrong.
Now I'm starting to think you're not really trying.
Put forth week and effort? I feel like you don't respect me.
Why must you always make things so hard?
A valuable lesson today. Kicking bad guys in the face is fun.
Have I mentioned I like to watch? this!
Are you deliberately moving really slowly? Is this like some sort of mime thing?
I bet you were the worst hide-and-seek player ever.
Feel bad? You're not. All right, you're not good.
I know I'm playing hard to get, but I'm worth it.
They say bad guys don't think of themselves as bad guys, but come on, you must know.
Going to all this trouble for little old me. You must really care.
Your heart wasn't in this, Felicia. Tell me what he did to you.
I was transferred to Ravencroft. The Kingpin came to see me.
Just to be clear, we're talking about Wilson Fisk.
Yes. He said he knew I was after power and he could give it to me.
You'd owe him. That's how it always works, isn't it?
The doctors did experiments. They called it DNA crafting or crisscrossing.
Cross-species genetics? You've seen what can happen. Why would you do that to yourself?
Boy, you are thick. I did it for you, so I'd be like you, so we could be together. But then the Kingpin ordered me to kill you, or die myself. I couldn't. I can't.
Felicia, I don't know what to say.
Don't say anything. I'm not interested in your face. Just your lips.
I can get you help. Witness protection. A new life, safe from the Kingpin. And maybe someday we can get to know each other like normal people.
I don't want to be normal people. Run away with me. We'll go somewhere exotic. With our power, we can live like royalty. Adventure, excitement, romance. And that sounds terrible to you.
No, but I've got responsibilities.
Well, I'm not one of them. Don't worry about me. I've always done fine with a target on my back.
I can't just let you go.
Fisk owns too many cops. If I'm in custody, I'm as good as dead. You can't do that to me any more than I can do it to you. You ever decide you want some fun in your life? Look me up.
Felicia, wait!